In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nubia. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and download free app from Flare2 developer. DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, launch it. As you can see, after that, I can access all the informations about my device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!